Sorry.
Tax filing deadline day means the annual political ritual of leaders from both parties calling for some sort of change in the tax code. But this year, with a crowded field of 2016 Republican presidential contenders, there are loud calls to liberate Americans and American business from the heavy burden of taxes. With the passing of April 15th, many Americans got their annual lesson in just how Byzantine and out of control America's tax code has become. Today, the tax code is nearly 75,000 pages and 187 times longer than a century ago, according to a study reported in the Washington Examiner. Most of the growth in the tax code has come in the past 30 years. Unsurprisingly, Republicans are talking about tax reform, like a flat tax rate of 17%. Republican candidate Marco Rubio is calling for a top rate of 35% for the wealthiest Americans and 15% for those making less than $150,000 a year, while cutting the tax rate for businesses from 35% to 25%.
We have a tax code, for example, that has the highest combined corporate tax rate on the planet.
Republicans want to repeal the estate tax, something President Obama opposes. And the president was also pushing his own middle-class tax breaks in North Carolina this week.
The idea that in this country, we do best when everybody's getting a fair shot.
And the Republican leadership wants to rein in the IRS, too.
And this week we'll pass a series of bills to stop the IRS abuses and help hardworking taxpayers.
One study says if the tax code continues to grow at the pace it did over the last century, it will pass 100,000 pages in 2050. Dale Hurd, CBN News.